Hi anime lovers, this is Anirudh. Today I am going to give a review of one such popular anime which most of are familiar with, that is Bleach. Please watch, subscribe, like, share and comment. The creator of the Bleach manga series, written and illustrated by Taito Kubo, one of the greatest mangaka of all time. All he had to do is to create one of the greatest shonen manga work and eventually led to anime adaptation by one of the prominent studios by Studio Pierrot. Bleach follows the adventures of a odd-headed teenager. The main protagonist of the Bleach anime series is Kurosaki Ichigo, who inherits his parents' destiny after he obtains the power of a Soul Reaper from another Soul Reaper, Rukia Kuchiki. Ichigo's newfound powers force him to take on the duties of defending humans from evil spirits and guiding departed souls to the afterlife, and set him on journeys to various ghostly realms. Ichigo becomes substitute Soul Reaper of Karakura town. However, he is not alone in his fight, as he is later joined by his friends who each have their own unique abilities. As Ichigo and comrades got used to their new duties and support each other on and off the battlefield. In this segment, the most important element in a long-running shonen anime required is character development. Along with Ichigo, there are many exceptional characters in Bleach anime series. The Bleach anime series got a great start which went very well, but later that intensity of the character development was missing. Honestly speaking, Bleach anime series lacked potential and consistency to describe characters' intentions. As far as I am concerned, I have not found much of the background story of main characters of Bleach anime series. Taito Kubo successful for introducing large number of characters, but it didn't go well. Taito Kubo indeed successful to show intense fights which the characters absolutely nailed it. Taito Kubo disappointed me as he didn't give different dimensions of techniques for the main protagonist, to be honest, but still I enjoyed his fights and techniques. At last, I want to say that character development is not up to the mark. It was a great prospect for Bleach manga series that it was adopted by one of the prominent studios by Studio Pierrot. Studio Pierrot is known for producing some of the greatest anime works such as Naruto, GTO, Yu Yu Hakusho. The animation and visual effects of the Bleach anime series is good. Most of the fights was animated smoothly. The quality of animation lacks consistency in most part of the seasons, which isn't a great aspect for Bleach anime series. The presentation of towns, soul societies landscape, different types of architectures were found in various ghostly realms are shown very excellent by Studio Pierrot. It was a good animation and it was very pleasant. I am really satisfied regarding the techniques used in fight scenes is something to enjoy. At last, I want to say that Studio Pierrot didn't disappoint me in animation. Mostly, I love this segment because music played a crucial role in the Bleach anime series. They showed good openings and endings in every season. The standard of music for Bleach anime series is very high. Background music also fits very nicely. It is actually Bleach's strong point. The music is very refreshing. The soundtracks really intensify the battles and make even the smallest things seem cool. And the soundtrack is a key and necessary component, but it isn't just action scenes. The background music makes the emotions and thoughtful moments come alive. The background music and visuals was getting better and better with lot of intensity, which is a great aspect for Bleach anime series. At last, I want to say that music didn't disappoint me in Bleach anime series. I am going to mention about the special specifications in Bleach anime series. In Bleach anime series, there are fillers consisting of 45%. In Bleach anime series, there are some fillers which are worth watching, guys. I watched fillers and I found some are annoying. So if you want to watch or skip fillers, that's completely based on your interest and schedule. The Bleach anime series comes under the genre of action, comedy, supernatural, adventure, superpower, shounen. It consists of 16 seasons and 366 episodes including fillers. I want to conclude that Bleach anime series is by far one of the popular anime of all time. I want to acknowledge the efforts and hard work of Taito Kubo, Pierrot and its staff members. Combine their efforts to produce Bleach anime series. For me, it was a great experience and I enjoyed. If you want to watch Bleach anime series, you can definitely watch it. It is a good anime for all shonen fans. If it is your first shonen anime, I recommend you to watch Bleach anime series. I hope you liked my Bleach anime review.